Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. Now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we mixing yellow color. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. C. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. The alphabet of H. The next one is I. I for ice. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. The next one is L. And now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Kids, now we are using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using green color and draw the alphabet of O. The next one is P. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. And now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is V. Now we draw W. The next one is X. Now we draw Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.